Now let us see what happens due to the motion of object in front of a plane mirror. What happens if I walk in front of a plane mirror perpendicular to the plane of the mirror? Have you observed what's happening? When I am moving towards the mirror, the image is also coming towards mirror. Means image and object are moving towards each other when the object is moving towards the mirror. Now what happens if the object is moving away from the mirror? The image is also moving away from the mirror. Is it clear? Now let us see what happens if an object moves along the plane of the mirror. See, this is our mirror. Now I am moving along the plane of the mirror. So what's happening? The image is also moving along with the object. Means the distance between object and mirror is not changed. As well, the distance between image and object is also not changed. The distance between image and mirror also not changed when I am moving along the plane of the mirror. Is it clear? Now if I move in the upward direction along the plane of the mirror, so imagine I am climbing upwards with a rope. With the help of a rope, what's happening? My image is also moving upwards. If I move downwards, my image is also moving downwards. Is it clear? Means from this you would have understood one thing. That is, if this is a mirror, if this is x-axis, y-axis, and this is our z-axis. As the mirror is in yz plane, this is our z-axis. So if an object is moving along z-axis, distance between mirror and object is not changed. That's why distance between mirror and image is also not changed. If I move along y-axis, then also distance between mirror and object is not changed. That's why distance between mirror and image also will not be changed. But if I move along x-axis, what happens? The distance between mirror and object will be changed. Hence, the distance between image and object also will be changed. See, let us see how. This is our y-axis. This is our x-axis. This is our z-axis. So this is our z-axis. Is it clear? So as long as you move along x-axis, then only the distance between object and image will be changed. When you are moving along y-axis or when you are moving along z-axis, the distance between object and image will not be changed. If I write this in vector form, what happens? If the mirror is in yz plane, for example, if object is moving along a position vector, r bar is equal to xi plus yj plus zk, then what is the position vector of the image? Is given by r bar of image is given by only x will be if the object is moving along the positive x-axis, image is moving along negative x-axis. That's why it is minus xi. Remaining y, object is moving along positive y, image also moves along positive y. Object is moving along positive z, image also moves along positive z. That's why it is yj plus zk. Now, if I ask you one more question, if the mirror is in xz plane, if the mirror is in xz plane, then what is your answer for this object? So as this is in xz plane, x remains same and z remains same, y will be inverted. That's why then the answer will be r of I bar is equal to xi minus yj and zk. If the mirror is in xy plane, then what is your answer? Then r image is equal to x y remains the same, z will be changed, This will be answer will be xi plus yj minus zk. So this is how we can explain the position of the image due to the motion of the object.